Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to make a poll on Google Forms. Now first you come into Google Forms, click on a blank form, okay? And first we need to put in our title, of course. So whatever kind of poll you're conducting, the title should reflect that. It helps the participants understand what the poll is about and why you're collecting these responses. So you can just double click here and start typing. So now we're done with the title. Now we move on to the question. Now for the questions, the typical question types used are usually the multiple choice or the check boxes, okay? You can use multiple choice if you want the respondents to select only one answer. Otherwise, go for the check boxes, okay? They can choose multiple ones. So I'll just choose multiple choice. Of course, to change, you can just click on this and choose from that list. So let me put in the question. So I can just double click again here and type in my question. So there we go. I've added in the different options. To add an option, you just click on add option and you can add it there, or you can click on add other, where they are able to choose this and type in their own response. Okay, I'll just remove this for now. And to add more questions, you just come here, click on, add more questions and just repeat the process until you have enough questions on your poll. Okay, so I'll just go ahead and delete this. And to publish it, come here at the top right, click on publish, then click on publish again. And you just copy the responder link, okay? And you share it with people. Now let me go and hover over to the preview and I'll show you what it would look like. So this is what it is. They just come here and they can choose one and submit this. And once they've submitted it, you will see responses. So let me go ahead and get this out to people. All right, so I've gotten 4 responses so far. So I can come and click on responses and you can also see the graphs, okay? Or the charts being made. So there we go. We have the chart. You can copy this and paste it into a Word document, a PowerPoint, things like that, right? Otherwise, it is really that easy and simple.